Welcome back YouTube fam. I go by Byshaad and welcome to my channel Byshaad. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and comment down below on what you think about this shoe custom we will be doing today. Also don't forget that notification button to hit so you will get the bell ring for when I upload new videos. Alright, let's get right into this video. Alright, for this shoe custom we will be handling these blossom patches. This is a blue blossom patch. I also do red. I have pink and purple. So we will be doing this on the shoe. All you would need today is I use glue on this specific patch. You can get this from Amazon, Wish, AliExpress, Etsy. On this specific patch, it has glue on it. When you heat it, the glue will stick to the shoe, but I use extra glue to give it a more secure hold. So I got this E6000 glue. Also we need transfer paper, sticky, so when you heat it, you also need your little heat iron. When you heat it, it doesn't burn the patch. And then I'm using Clover brand little mini iron. I got this on already, so it's pretty hot. It's getting there. Medium setting, so let that heat up for about 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and follow along with this video. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all the shoe. I did the right shoe for my customer. I'm about to finish it up, ship it out to her. So this is what we'll be trying to do today. This is what I will get y'all to. Let me say that. Like I said, I do different colors, but this is the blue one. I think it's pretty dope. Try to get this to focus on. Covers the whole side, the outer side of the shoe. It's pretty easy to do if you're a sneaker customizer, or you know, you do this on a regular like I do. But if you're new, it'll be a little hard, so just take your time. Make sure your iron is not too hot as well. And the objective is to get the left shoe like the right shoe. Alright, so let's start this. Alright, so got the all white Air Force Ones I'll be working with. Gonna glue this patch onto the shoe. First I will cut it, but I'm gonna glue this on and heat it up to give it a more secure fit to the shoe. And like I said, here's the tools I'm using. You got your patch, or they got roses as well, but this is a blossom patch. Got me some glue. Got the glue, transfer paper, and some scissors, and that's all you need. And then the iron as well. Alright, so now I'm going to, before I glue anything, I want to try to get the fit of how I want the shoe to look. So it would be just about something like that on the shoe. And I will cut about right here. So I'm gonna have to cut this, cut that off. I probably will cut this off, and these as well. Alright, so since I have the patch laid out on the shoe, I will get cutting now. So now I'm going to glue this piece, stick it on the shoe, and add whatever I want to glue to the shoe, and then I'm going to heat it and set it to the shoe, and you will pretty much be done. So this is not extremely long custom to do. It's difficult, but like I said, take your time. And I'm not sure what size this is. This is a 2-ounce E6000 glue. I recommend this one because the bigger bottles have a bigger top, and this has a little pointy end, so when you getting the glue on these little teeny pieces, it won't overflow as much. And you always can take the glue off of the shoe if you can see it. I mean, it's a clear glue, but you will still be able to see some if it gets too caked up. But yeah, let me go ahead and start gluing the pieces I need glue and glued. Make sure these little tip pieces, like the end pieces, you get glue on them because they will rise up. So yeah, keep that in mind as well. Alright, so that's what it will look like. I'm going to glue everything on. I'm going to heat everything on now. Tips on heating: first of all, you need transfer paper, because if you put the heat gun on this, it could burn it or burn the shoe. So you don't want that. And don't leave it on a certain spot for too long. Maybe like 5 to 10 seconds on medium heat. So I just place this on one end of the shoe. Make sure my iron is on, and then I just press down, give it a secure fit on the shoe. This does not take long. You also can rub it if you want on the spots that are like peeling up. I press down. So as you can see, it's already sticking. It does not take much. And that's because of the additional glue that you added. And be careful with the iron to not burn yourself. It will stick to the sole of the shoe, but I typically don't put it on the sole because of, the sole is normally the first thing that gets dirty or messed up or scratched or scuffed. So that could ruin the patch, and then it will ruin the shoe, the custom. So I also like to press in the little ridges where the patch is. I might have to move this up some so it will look like it's made like that. Might have to go over one more time. And if you see any spots that you, any part of the patch that you see on the shoe that you don't want after you look at it, and before you heat it down, you can just cut it off. It's no biggie. Yeah, it's sticking really good. It is cooperating really well for this video. I'm going to go back over some of these spots. Everything looks pretty good, but I like to double down, double dip, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, I think that looks about good. So there you have it. Now you have some a pretty dope blossom patch custom that you did yourself or that you watched. So here it goes, the final product. It's dope. I love the blue. Blue is my favorite color. Got some new heat for your feet. There you go. There you guys have it. Excuse me. Alright, there you guys have it. Finished this pretty dope custom blossom patch. It's cherry blossom, but this is the blue cherry blossom. The blue blossom. There you go. There you have it. That's it. These are pretty simple, clean sneaker custom. Does not take long, like I said. But you could ruin the shoe if you're not too careful. Could burn it. So watch out with the iron. And like every video I do, I'm gonna start talking with the shoe. So, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Even if you didn't, still hit that thumbs up. Comment below what you think about this shoe custom, or have you tried it. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that notification bell. And I want to thank y'all for y'all support and tuning in and watching this video. Much love. A lot more videos coming out soon, so make sure you definitely hit that notification button. And pretty sure that's it. I'm out.